Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe Highlander, stock reference number 5830. This shape runs from the 9th month 2009 through to the 6th month 2012. It has a D4HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tailgate garnish, tidy bumper cover, factory tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster